If you want to see more videos related to electrical and electronics engineering, then check the playlist section of this channel. There you will find more videos related to network analysis, signals and system, power electronics, digital electronics and much more. In this video, we will see a problem on nodal analysis. Question: obtain VO in the circuit of figure. Now here in this circuit, we have to find this voltage, which is the voltage across this 4 kilo ohm resistor. So first of all, what we will do? We will assume this node as node V1. The voltage across this node is V1, let's say. Now here, this VO will be equal to this node voltage V1. So here we can write, but V1 is equal to VO. Because it is connected in parallel, so this node voltage and this voltage will be same. Now let's assume this as the reference node or ground node. So its voltage will be 0 volt. Now since the voltage is 0 volt here, so we have to assume all the currents towards this node. So let's say this current is current I1, this current is current I2 and this current is current I3. So all the currents towards this reference node. Now what we will do? This is a nodal analysis, so we have to apply Kirchhoff's current law, that is KCL. So according to KCL or by KCL, we know that summation of all the currents entering a node is equal to summation of all the currents leaving the node. So let's apply KCL at node V1. Apply KCL at node V1. So according to KCL, the entering currents are, there is no entering current at this node, so it will be 0, is equal to leaving currents are I1 plus I2 plus I3. So here we can write I1 plus I2 plus I3. Now this I1 in voltage form, it will be V1 minus 30 volt divided by 2000. V1 minus 30 volt divided by 2000, then plus I2. Now this I2 will be V1 minus 20. V1 minus 20 divided by, here the value of resistor is 5000 ohm. So it will be 5000, then plus I3. Now the I3 will be V1 minus 0 divided by 4000. V1 minus 0 divided by 4000. Now simply we have to simplify this and find the value of V1. So let's simplify this. So it will be, let's take this on left side. So it will be V1 divided by 2000, then minus 30 divided by 2000, then plus V1 divided by 5000. So actually what we can do to simplify this further, we will multiply both sides by 1000. So if we multiply, here we can write multiply both side by 1000. So here 1000 into 0, it will be 0, and here this 30 will get cancelled, so it will be simply V1 minus 30 divided by 2 plus V1 minus 20 divided by 5, then plus V1 divided by 4. So now it looks simple. So next, let's simplify this now. So V1 by 2 minus 30 divided by 2, then plus V1 by 5 minus 20 by 5 plus V1 by 4. So we can take, and it is equal to 0. We can take V1 common. So V1 in bracket 1 by 2, then plus 1 by 5, then plus 1 by 4. Then here it will be, here we can take plus. So plus minus 30 by 2 and then minus 20 by 5. So these are the two constant terms. So it is equal to 0. So it will be V1 in bracket. It will be 1 by 2. Then plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 4. So it is 0.95. 0.95. Now this term will be, let's solve this, minus 30 divided by 2, then minus 20 divided by 5. So it is minus 19. So minus 19 is equal to 0. If we take this on right side, so it will be V1 0.95 is equal to 19. So V1 is equal to 19 divided by 0.95. So therefore V1 is equal to, let's solve this, 19 divided by 0.95. So it is 20. So 20 volt is the answer for V1. Now in this problem, what we have to find? We have to find the value of VO. And here we know that V1 is equal to VO. So therefore, we can write VO is equal to 20 volt. So this is how we can find the value of VO by using nodal analysis. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel and check out the other videos on this channel. And if you want to buy the notes of this subject, then check the link in the description below. And thanks for watching.